Ferrari Stradale SF90.
Since 1929, Ferrari has been synonymous with luxury, power, and speed. Its demand among automotive enthusiasts remains unwavering, with sales soaring this year. The SF90 Stradale bids farewell this year. Released in 2019, it was Ferrari's first plug-in hybrid, boasting a twin-turbo V8 four-wheel drive and over 900 horsepower. It could accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Rumors suggest an update might be on the horizon. The SF90 continues production, but whispers of a replacement, the F173M, are circulating. Prototype testing photos have emerged from Ferrari's Maranello track. Replacing the 812 GTS is the 12 Cilindri, featuring a V12 6.5-liter engine producing 9,500 revolutions per minute. With 820 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, without electric assistance. Ferrari plans to reduce deliveries of the 812 Competizione and Roma Coupe, signaling their production end soon. The Roma Spider, 296 GTS, and Puro Sang are strong performers this year, especially in the Americas, with a balanced mix of combustion and hybrid models. Ferrari is investing heavily in electric vehicles, with its first all-electric model in development. Exciting times lie ahead for Ferrari's innovation.